Okay, today is a few days after Lele's birthday, and as concerned parents, we would like to know what Lele will become in the future. So as we're following tradition, giving her 4 choices of promising careers that she will become.
She wants to pick already.
I'll show her the stuff first. Number 1, Lele will become a robber, stealing purse from people. Or she can become a serial killer, castrating 负心的男人. Or she can be a drunkard, getting high on things and be a happiest baby on a. Or she can be a 第一名妓. That will make the parents very proud too. Okay, so we have everything in front. Which one will Lele choose? Lele, decide your career path. You can only take one, don't take too many. Which one you want? Okay. 她要做 serial killer and robber. 就是这样咯。
Okay, at least she's not a drug user.
So there we have it. 有什么感想？
I like all.
She's going to cut off men's penis and steal from them.
Hey, can you not?
That's what's going to happen. Okay, bye bye.